Hey baby girls, today we're slowing things right down as I take you through a deeply relaxing male brow spa treatment. And of course, I've got the gorgeous Luca here in the studio to help me show you exactly how it's done. So first up, I'm using the Buff Brows Purify Cleanser. Then I'm taking some warm, fresh sponges to gently wash away all that foamy cleanser. Now I'm going in with my Dior Micellar water. This gives me the perfect base to apply my under eye patches a little later on. My next step is the Buff Brow Polish. This gentle exfoliator works a little deeper through these thick brows, helping to hydrate and cleanse underneath where the dry skin often collects. Now I'm taking my beautifully warm, fresh mitts straight out of the towel heater to gently wash away all the exfoliator. Now I'm applying my Buff Brows hydrating under eye patches. These will gently hydrate and soothe the skin beneath the eyes while I focus on perfecting the brows. Using my Buff Brows mapping string, I'm now creating gentle mapping lines to balance the brows. This helps me follow the natural shape with confidence and ease when I move on to the wax. And the wax I'm using today is the Lotus Sensitive Tea Tree Cream Wax. And I did notice that Luca's brows were a little sensitive, So before moving any further, I applied a protective barrier to soothe his skin to ensure the treatment remained gentle and comfortable. Then I used some after wax oil to gently remove any leftover wax residue. Now I'm using the Buff Brows Luxe Collection Brow Mask. And just as a little reassurance, this redness around the brow is completely normal. Everyone's skin reacts differently. Some people experience very little redness after a brow wax, while others may notice a bit more sensitivity. While the brow mask is setting, I remove the under eye patches and apply Caudalie under eye cream. Now I'm using my little mini brow spa cryo balls, and it's really good for depuffing under the eyes. I try and use these in the morning to help when I've just woke up, and it really does make a difference. The mask is now fully set, so I'm gently just going to peel back the mask. Now I'm applying the Buff Brow Restore Mask. I'm focusing on applying it directly to the brows to deeply hydrate and nourish the hairs. You can see here I'm gently working through the remaining mask, and then I simply wipe away any excess using a damp cotton wool. Now I'm using Augustinus Bader facial oil to finish the brows and perform the most relaxing brow massage. We hold so much tension in this area, and gently working and loosening it can feel absolutely incredible. Now I'm using the Insane Saint and Serenity Skin Blur. It gently camouflages and helps reduce any redness, which is perfect for men who have had a brow wax and don't want to leave the salon with bright red brows. Now I'm just finishing and setting the brows using some Olaplex brow serum. This serum nourishes and strengthens each brow hair, helping to repair, condition and promote healthy, stronger brows. Now just take a look at the before. The brows needed a little reshaping and tidying, but I did make sure to maintain that strong masculine shape. Now just look at the afters. I think Luca looks so handsome and gorgeous. They completely frame his face. Also, don't forget to check out my online brow masterclasses if you're looking to improve and level up your brow skills. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!